Right now, I'm gonna run the power wire and remote wire. I'm gonna run the remote and keep it right here, and then the power wire to the battery where the boot is at. You get some light out here real quick. The boot's gonna be right here where they ran the alarm. Wow, that's not a good way to do it, but yeah, somebody did it. We're gonna find a right here to push this over here. So now I'm gonna poke the you can use a coat hanger for this. Just make sure you don't poke the wire. You want to go to the side, offside to the left. If you're looking from behind the steering wheel, you're looking to the left right there. So that way you're not poking the power wire. What they did right here is wrong. I can't do much to it because what happened right here, this is for the alarm. So one day it might short out because this boot right there, this rubber pushing out this way, and it's gonna create a short. But and then now you got the remote's gonna be right here, the power's gonna be here, and then we're gonna take this out right here so we can get to the speaker wire right here, but it's gonna be right there. What you do, you just take a flathead and kind of pop this out right there. You can pry it out right there. Just be careful, you don't want to break this. It's everything brand new. Definitely don't want to pay for that. So you want to pry it a little bit at a time. Definitely, this is easy. It can break easily. So you have to be careful. What's like usually called fragile. Pop that off, and this thing should be, I'm not sure yet. Oh, there's a piece right there. Yeah, we have to remove it out. Oh, it's just a clip, so pull it. Just pull it not too hard so you don't break them. Lift this up. And everything, this is so thin. I think this is like maybe 10 millimeters the most. Yep. So we got all that. If you want to, you can run the speaker wire from here so you don't have to remove all of these, and then you can run the power wire up here. Just kind of lift this right here, lift a little bit. Actually, maybe it's easier to just take the whole thing out by going like this. And remember, this can break easily, and this thing is not cheap, especially being 2024. Be careful. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna pop this out too. Let's see how to pop that out. I'm gonna pop this out. I'm gonna run the power wire right here because the power is pretty thick. And I'll say it one more time, just be careful. So wow, they ran the power right here, so I don't know if we can hide the power down here somehow, or maybe kind of, I'm not sure yet. Let me see. So the power is going to be right around here. We might be able to do like this, keep it like this. No, it won't work because of that. So yes, most likely you're gonna have to go so far, lift this out like that and kind of hide it with this right here. But let's put the power first. I'm gonna take the insulator out. And then I'm gonna need a black tape. Tape it like so. I'm gonna start taping about 2 inches behind the before the metal. I call it the coat hanger, because if you don't, and then make sure you tape this also so it don't catch any of those wire right there. And then move move it about right there. Best thing to use WD-40 right here, but you don't want to do it right now. It seemed to be okay, so we'll try it out. So I'm gonna have Cody gonna pull this wire out while I'm kind of helping him steer this. So I ran the power right in here. Most people, they tape piece right here. You don't have to. If you want to, you can, but I don't recommend it because you're not gonna drill or screw anything to this, so you not have to worry about the wire move and then you screw to it. So, well, we took this piece panel off already. There's only one clip right here, and then the other clip on the back, that side right there, right here. So the speaker wire is gonna run this side right there. This is not it. This is airbag stuff. So it's right here. I'll show you on the other side. So at this point, it's supposed to be blue and white. All I can find is the blue and pink. So I'm using blue as positive, pink as negative. So I'm using blue. I'm hooking up to the red color, and then the black, I'm gonna use it for ground. I mean negative. So I'm gonna hook it up to the pink, and I run the power wire underneath here. And then I'm gonna put the seat off a little bit so I can sneak my hand in there, and we'll grab the wire at the other end. Here's the power wire. I ran the wire loom to cover the red wire, and then I used the spade terminal. I'm gonna take a 10mm right there. I'm gonna just push it in and tighten it back in once everything's done in the back. So I got the power from the battery, and then I got the remote hooked up. Need to push this thing in a little bit so it won't short anything else. And then I got the ground. The ground, I made it in here, down here. This I forgot to take a video of it. And then the speaker that I ran, the red one, I'm gonna put it up to the two positive right here, which is white and gray. And then the white, black, gray, black, I put it to the negative. I think this is what is that? What color was that? Blue. Blue was positive, and then the other color, I couldn't remember what other color is. Pink. Pink was a negative. So blue positive and pink's negative. And then I got the RCA jack from this line out converter. As you can see, we use SNI 35. We're gonna put an input right here to an amp. Any amp you're gonna put. And speakers right here, will screw this thing up here so it won't move. Put an L bracket, and it is a sundown. It's totally different from a 22 and 23, so I'm gonna hook it up to the 20H, which is ABS VSA 10 amp, and make sure you want to hook up to the right where you when you remove the fuse, and you're gonna have to test it here. I'm gonna show you 28. What I mean by that, 28 should be 24. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, right next to the 20 right here. So I'm gonna put on 28, and then he's gonna turn on to accessory ignition. So it's on right now, and I'm gonna remove that number 10. Okay. What I've used is AAF 5 Micro 2. They you just basically, you're gonna have to put two fuse right here, like one fuse right here and one fuse right there. So it's a 10. You put 110 and 110 right there, and it will look exactly like that right there.